Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about previous year question of UGC NET paper 2 CS. So here they can ask in this question. So here we have to find choices of C1 is conflict or not conflict. Okay, conflict serializable or not conflict serializable. Okay, S1 and S2. So here what we have to find means, that is S1 means serializable, that is serializable 1 and serializable 2 will be conflict or not conflict serializable. Okay, in a previous video I taken my class about what is conflict and not conflict serializable. Okay, if you not watch that video means please watch that video, then only you have to know how to solve this. Okay, in this session we have to find what is conflict and not conflict. Okay, first of all we take it, we note the question here series, that is how many transactions are there we have to find. Okay, R1 R1 R2 R2 W2 W1, here also R1 R2 W2. So 1 2, that is 2 transaction only they can establish. So side for a side T1 and T2. So now here for example T1 and T2, so we have to find this is cycle or not. So then only cycle means not conflict serializable, not cycle means conflict serializable. So here we have to find cycle or not. Okay, T1 transaction 2 1 transaction 1. Okay, so here we have written T1 and T2. Okay, so first R1X, so R1 means transaction 1, so R1 of X. Okay, and R1Y, here we have to write R1 means this is a transaction 1, so here we have to write R2 means in a T2 we have to write. Okay, so next here R1 of X we would written, and this is the R1Y, so in a T1 we have to write. Next R2X, so in a transaction 2 we have to write. Okay, next R2 R of Y, then W2Y, so W2Y means here we have to write because this is the transaction 2. Next W1 of X, so W1 of X means in a transaction also, so W of X. Okay, this is the serializable one. Okay, so we have here we have to find how to transaction is processed. Okay, transaction means how to it will be transaction, read, write. Okay, and so read and write. So first of all we have to transaction 1 2, so here R1 R of X, then here W of X, so here it contain transaction. So T1 to T2 there is an transaction R of X W of X. First of all it can be, first of all read process will be processed, then only write process will be processed. Okay, so read and write it will be transaction. Next R of I, another one right, there is, that is R of X here, so, sorry, this will be handled R of Y W of I. R of X means W of X only we have, so here there is not a that process, that the transaction. Okay, R of X means we have W of X, here there was not the transaction. Okay, so here R of Y it contains W of I, so that T1 to T2 transaction is processed. Okay, then next here R of x will be T2 will be contains R of x, W of x will be have that. Okay, so T2 to T1 transaction will be contained. Okay, so that is what it is cycle or not. So T1 and T2 means T1 and T2 it contains, because R of y to W of y. Okay, then T2 to T1 is contained, so R of x into W of y. So this is the cycle. So cycle means what? Cycle means, it is called as a, in a previous video we will discuss cycle. It is called a not conflict serializable. Okay, so S1 is an not conflict serializable. So they can give a choice. So S1 is not conflict serializable, S1 is conflict serializable. So we have to select S1 is not conflict serializable. Okay, so this is the answer. And next now we have to find S2. Okay, S2. So here also it contains 2 transactions only, R1 2 2 2 1 1. There is no 3. So 2 transactions will be processed. Okay, so slightly the transaction process we have to draw. Okay, so now R1 of x. So in a transaction 1 we have to write R of x. Okay, next R2 of x. So in a transaction 2 R of x. Next R2 of y. So R2 means here we have to write. Next one W2 of y. So in a transaction 2. Next R1 of y. So R1 means in a transaction 1 or y. And next W1 of x. So 1 means in a transaction. Okay, so here we have to find read and write. So R of x, here we have W of x. So here it cannot that value. So next we have to find R of y. Here up and down. Okay, first we have R of x, next only it will be more. So there is no way. So we have to find R of x. So here it contains W of x. So T2 to T1, T2 to T1 only it contains. Next R of y, W of y. Here W of y or y. So it is not a cycle. So here only one cycle. So it is not cycle. Okay. So there is no any the transaction or process read and write. Okay. Here only one process, that is read of x. Here not that value W of x. So here we can check in a transaction 2, that is R of x, W of x there, that is transaction 2 to transaction 1. Another way we have to find means there is no any transaction or there. Okay, R of y. So this is an here only one transaction only. So this is not a cycle. So not cycle means what? Not cycle means conflict serializable. Okay, so S2 means S2 is a conflict serializable. Okay, so in this question answer is S1 is not conflict serializable, S2 is conflict serializable. So which they can give a choice means we have to select S1 is not conflict serializable, S2 is an conflict serializable. Okay, so this is how we have to this question handled. Okay. Okay, I hope all are very well learned in this session. Okay, in this next session we will discuss another previous year question. Okay, in a UGC net paper 2 CS. Okay, thank you.